Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. So today we have a brand new subscription to our channel to open, and this is delivered from Japan, which is extra exciting. It's the Kizuna Box. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It says Kizuna Box delivered Japan to your door. Such cute packaging. I think there's something here as well. So I'm super excited to see what comes in here. I have absolutely no idea what's inside. So like with every new subscription to our channel, I'm going to pull up some information on the computer so we can learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. So what is the Kizuna Box? So their website says, Kizuna Box is a Japanese subscription box that connects you with Japan through carefully selected 100% made in Japan lifestyle items and limited edition snacks sent directly to your door from the heart of Tokyo every month. Kizuna Box is available in two versions, the lifestyle subscription and the snack subscription box. I believe I was sent the snack subscription box. I was sent this free for review, so we will see in just a moment, because honestly I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they said snack subscription. So this is one that is available on Cratejoy, which I love. I love Cratejoy, and there's still a sale going on this weekend, by the way. I'll link that down below if you haven't checked it out. There's like 20% off on all like self-care boxes, which is like my favorite kind of box pretty much. So check that out. I'll link that. Just that memory came to my mind when I said Cratejoy. But so Kizuna Box from Japan, exploring Japan's seasons, festivals, and culture through authentic lifestyle items and snacks. So the snack box is $27.49, and then there's a healthy box apparently that is $34.99, and the lifestyle box is $32.49. And it ships worldwide from Japan, so that is awesome. The pictures look so cute. So it says, as Japanese appreciate the passage of time with various seasonal goodies and festivals, each month in Japan has a distinct vibe to it. The box is thoughtfully curated to let subscribers experience the same atmosphere that people in Japan would that month. So in the lifestyle box, you get 6 to 8 high quality Japanese goodies that include ceramics, cloth, stationery, and snacks, and more. The snack box, you get 17 to 20 limited edition snack and beverage items, coupled with 1 or 2 lifestyle items. And in the healthy box, you get 10 to 15 Japanese health-oriented sweets and snacks with low calorie and fats. There are new items and themes every month. 100% of the items are made in Japan. Place your order by July 25th to get the Natsu to Fuji-san, the summer in Mount Fuji box. Orders placed between June 26th and July 25th ship the first week of August. So if you order now, you'll get the August box. I believe I have the July box here, but again, we'll see in just a moment. So I think we have enough information. Of course, I will link this all down below. So let's get unboxing and see what I got from Japan. It's totally starting to storm here, by the way. I might get a little loud. The thunder's been crazy this summer, and it always seems to want to storm right when I'm filming, like in the afternoons and stuff, but we're not gonna let that stop us. Whoa, the palm tree right here is just like, the leaves are just all blowing in one direction. It must be some strong wind right now. Oh, Archer, are you scared? My cat just came in. All right, so just open the flap. It says, thank you for purchasing the Kizuna Box. I feel so bad if I'm mispronouncing this. Someone will correct me, right? And then everything else is wrapped in some tissue. Okay, so this is the July box, and it says Kizuna Box, July 2019 edition, Tanabata, the Star Festival box. Awesome. So in here, whoa, oh Archer, it's okay. So inside it gives us like a little note, and then there's information on the items, and they do look like they're snacks. So it says, thank you for subscribing to the Kizuna Box. In Japan, July 7th, the night holds Tanabata, the Star Festival, every year. This is one of the Japanese events that have been made since ancient times. Around Tanabata season, hopefully I'm saying that kind of right, we hang the colorful strips and decoration which wrote one's wish to a bamboo leaf. It is also now the beautiful habit of praying to the star. While in Japan there is a Tanabata legend known as the story of love. We will introduce this story easily. They are a married couple in a very good relationship. They were Orima, which means star Vega, and Hikoboshi, which means star altar, but they got scolded by God and received the punishment. The Milky Way separated the lovers, but only in the night of Tanabata they can meet again by crossing the bridge of Magpie and or Swan And then in parentheses it says Cygnus/Star Deneb. And this is a Tanabata legend. This legend from the situation which the two stars, Star Vega and Stars Altar, shining across the Milky Way, it became a legend. In this July 2019 edition, you can enjoy the Tanabata with the Tanabata themed cute snack and delicious sweets. You'll find the Japanese a little seasonal tradition in this box. We would like to thank you again for purchasing our box and giving us the opportunity of delivering Japan Star Festival to you. With further ado, enjoy unboxing. Sincerely yours, the Kizuna Box team. That's so cool. I love hearing that story. I probably butchered all of the names, but it was still interesting. Ooh, look at all these goodies inside. The first thing I see is this. And then there's some writing on the back. So let's see. So this is mixed nuts. I'm so glad they have this pamphlet, or I would have no idea before opening it. I love eating nuts. I think it's a great way to get some protein and a good snack. So it also tells you common allergens, so that is amazing. So because if you don't speak Japanese, you wouldn't be able to read all the ingredients. So it tells you what is in here. And it says it is a combination of 2 flavors of cashew nut flavored with framboise and peanuts flavored with black pepper. It is a popular bean sweet. And it looks like this has pork in it. So I will be giving this away because I'm a vegetarian, but I think this packaging is so cute and I really appreciate that they gave us the ingredients and stuff, so I know that. Next up, ooh, this looks like they're like corn sticks or something. Let's see. The Kelby salty corn flavor Chumoriko, it says, oh, and they give Best Buy dates too, which is another amazing thing. So this is good until September 20th. The first thing I open with is best before August 31st, so plenty of time to eat these. They definitely won't last that long. So this has milk and soy in it, so I can have this. It says, as we use whole corn, super sweet corn, we can enjoy the sweetness of true corn carefully well. So I will definitely try these out. Seems like they're just like little like sticks, or what would you call that? Ooh, what are these? It is pouring out, you guys. Okay, the first thing, I think these are the same. Oh my god, cute. Look at the star on there. This is perfect for the Star Festival. Can you guys see it? Oh. Yeah, now you can see it's like a little smiley face. So let's learn what these are. The Ginbis Shimi Choco Corn Stick, 2 items, best before November 9th. Common allergens, milk, wheat, and soy. Chocolate snacks you can eat without getting dirty your hand, containing calcium and dietary fiber. This is a snack which let chocolate dip into a puff by a unique method. I'm so happy to get a chocolate snack because I haven't had like chocolate in the house, and I just like crave it after I have meals. So I'm really excited to try that one. And there's 2 of them. Ooh, this is big. Oh my god, everything is just like so cute. There's stars on this one too. This is great. And here's the back of it. But let's see. So this is the Hoshi Tabeo rice crackers, and this is best by October 4th. Oh, so this is wheat, soy, and chicken in it. It says this is a star-shaped rice cracker with a bit of a salty taste. There's no chemical seasoning, coloring, or flavoring. This is a big pack. So, awesome. I have to pass that one on, but that's okay. And what are these? These look like, I don't know if this is food or what is it? I think this is. It says Nanbu Senbai Bamboo Charcoal, 2 pieces, best by August 17th. Common allergens is wheat. And Nanbu Senbai, probably saying that wrong, I need to learn how to pronounce things, is a traditional cookie in Awachi prep. This cookie was needed bamboo charcoal powder and thick cookie dough. This is a healthy and very delicious cookie. Cool. It looks different than any other like consistency I've ever had, so I am very glad I can try these out and see what they're like. And then I don't know what this is, but it's in some bubble wrap. So let's get this open. Oh, cute. This is like a little candy jar. It's adorable. I'm gonna open it from this bag, even though the bag is even cute, because I know I'm gonna keep these myself, but oh my god, this would make a good gift too. So cute. Look at this jar full of like these little candies. Look at that cute bow with the stars. Perfect for Star Festival. And these, oh, and the candies are shaped as stars. And there's something on the bottom. This is awesome. These are like authentic Japanese snacks, like they say, but like really, this is so cool. So this is colorful ramne, best before March 2020. Common allergens milk. It says this is a star-shaped colorful ramne in a cute little bottle. Interesting. Cool. Oh, and this says something in English in the label. It is seriously downpouring. You probably can hear that. Let me know if you can hear the storm. I wonder, can you guys kind of see? Yeah. This is a daily occurrence here in the summer. It doesn't last too long, but it happens. Like I said, we're not gonna let this stop us. So it says, thanks, hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. Oh, and the star constellations are on there. I'm not sure if you guys saw it when I held it up before. That is so cool. This is so cute. What is this? Like, is it like little mints or something? Yes, mini mint tablet constellation package. Best by March 2020. There's no common allergens in this. Romantic constellation package design. Mint is fashionable and popular. Can you find your constellation? I'm a Taurus. I think, I don't know. Are these even the, I don't even know if these are the same things. Cool though. This is such a cute packaging. I can't wait till I carry those mints around with me. Looks like we have a few things left. It says Country Ma'am on this one. There's like a little smiley face. The Nagata Prefecture Limited Country Ma'am, in parentheses it says Sasa Dango Taste, best by November 2019, common allergens, wheat, milk, eggs, and soy. Sasa Dango is rice cake with anko, which is sweet bean jam. It is wrapped by a bamboo leaf. It is a rice cake with a delicious bamboo flavor. These sweets are reproducing it. Awesome. Ooh, what is this? Like, is that like fruit in there? I guess we'll find out in a moment. A Hoshi Sama Jelly Annan Taste, if I'm saying that right. Best by November 24th. Common allergens, milk and soy. This is a mixed dessert with fruit jelly, annan, which is apricot kernel, and taste syrup. It contains Red Star jelly, the apricot kernel, rhombus jelly, and orange and pineapple. Okay, so there is some fruit in there. Interesting. Ooh, I see some candies that are star-shaped. Yes. Okay. Colorful star-shaped candy. There's 5 it's in here, it says. Common allergens, none. A rainbow-colored star-shaped candy. The flavors are grape, lemon, and cider. And then I think we have just one more thing, which is not food-related, I don't think. These are the Tanabata message cards. And there's like some lines on the back. And I see 20 on there. I wonder if there's like 20 sheets. So it is a small message card of Tanabata. When you use it for memos or letters, you will feel the culture of Japan's Tanabata. Cool. This is a lot of stuff. All right, so it says the total number of items is 18. And the total retail price is $56. Oh, my poor cat babies are probably hiding somewhere right now. So let's see, what am I the most excited about? Probably more like the sweet things. Like, I'm just like that. But I'm excited to try everything besides the ones I can't eat. I'm so grateful that they have like the allergens and the best by date. I think that is very important, especially when you're giving like food items to consumers. So that is an A+. But this is like all like very authentic, and I can't wait to try it. I feel like I should be doing like taste tests on here. Is that something you guys would want me to do? Maybe I'll do like eat some of this on a live soon, because I have not gone live in a long time. So I'm feeling like really chatty right now. I've been filming for a while. It's like storming. You guys are probably like, shut up. But I want to go live again soon. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I can taste test, and then we can just hang out and stuff like that. So if you're disappointed I'm not trying things right now, I'm sorry, just ate. But I will do that on a live soon if you're interested. So let me know. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.